Did you know that if you don't have at least 5 reviews on Zillow, Zillow doesn't consider your profile complete? Have you ever tried to search for a realtor, search for a real estate agent in any area of the country? What shows up is Zillow, with a whole list of agents, and the ones with the most number of reviews show up at the top. If you have a team, it's a great idea to create a team profile. You can aggregate all those reviews into one big profile, and this can lead to getting more clients and getting more results for you and your team. So check out Zillow's profile pages and make sure that you're actually leveraging all of the great tools that they have. If you need help with that, our company actually does that for realtors. So check out your Zillow profile. See how many reviews you have. Are you leveraging all the tools that they provide to you? Do you have links to your website, to your Facebook page? Are you putting links in your bio? There's so many great tools that you can use out there, and they're totally free. We can help you get all that information set up properly.